The Jamaica Ice Hockey Federation is actively seeking assistance from the global governing body to fast-track the development of the sport on the island.
The successes of Jamaica's bobsleigh team on the North American circuit, which is serving as the qualifying event for next year's Winter Olympics, and athletics, could be the catalyst for the Jamaica ice hockey team's ascension on the world stage. Now that's the word from Harold Springfield, the development director of the International Ice Hockey Federation, the IIHF, who left the island on Tuesday following a short visit.
Yeah, so basically bobsleigh is a very good example in which Jamaica demonstrated what is possible. We also saw already in the last, or since we came here, a lot of young kids, and we also see the talent, and we know that Jamaica can produce athletes. So this is the number one requirement I would say a country need to have.
President of the Jamaica Ice Hockey Federation, Don Anderson, is hoping the talks will bear fruit shortly.
And their job is to help us pull all of this together. So they're going to be helping us through monitoring what we do from here on, ensuring that we comply with all the regulations which are demanding, and for us to really bring our organization up to a level that is internationally accepted and recognized, and they will drive all the development. This is the development department of the International Federation, and they're here to help us and to find out what we need, to have a frank discussion about where we are, what are our shortcomings, what we need, and then to put in place a program to help us grow the sport.
And while the bobsledders have to train and compete overseas, it's quite possible that the ice hockey players could have a place to play right here in Jamaica.
I mean, it will be not happen in the next year. It will probably take longer, but also probably we get a surprise. So we have a very positive momentum in the Americas region to see how the situation really looks like everywhere. And if we have these numbers, and if we also feel the support from all the sports authorities, and if we also see that the National Federation is ready, then we can really start to work structured and systematically. So it's a lot of work. Let's see, we don't need an ice rink which will fit about 15,000 spectators here, but we need one in which we can play hockey and which does fulfill some certain requirements.
Springfield also met with Sports Minister Olivia Grange on his brief visit to the island.
We have agreed on collaborating to ensure that Jamaica, which has a federation, Jamaica which has done well with our teams in ice hockey and our Winter Olympics program, that we will work together to ensure that we build out an ice rink and facility in Jamaica.
The Jamaica Ice Hockey Federation is dreaming of following in the footsteps of the Jamaica bobsledders on the international stage in years to come. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.